We are Shandong Great Machinery Co. Ltd. Our company is a professional manufacturer of blow molding machines. We can produce machines with 1 to 12 layers, suitable for producing products ranging from arch L up to 35,000 L. Our machines are capable of producing water tanks, medical beds, dip barrels, mobile toilets, kayaks, and other large hollow plastic products. We have supplied machines to many countries, including Turkey, Kuwait, Brazil, and Pakistan. Our customers are very satisfied with our machines. We offer excellent value for money, guaranteed quality, competitive prices, and premium after-sales service. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you.